Today we are going to show you how to assemble the AI Ergo Workstation designed by 3DBioCAD. The i.maX 4 microscope and the Renfert SILENT Compact vacuum are sold separately by Kodent. This is how your package should look when you receive it. Once you have placed your AI Ergo Workstation, please cut the straps, being careful of your surroundings. First, remove the box cover and place to the side. Then, remove all 4 corner supports. Please remove the bench top shelf from the box. Then gently lift the whole box in an upwards position. Please remove the plastic cover from the top, exposing the accessory boxes underneath. Gently remove the box, being careful as this is heavy. Open the accessories box carefully with a sharp knife or scissors. All parts are listed from the accessories box, including the bench top shelf. The Ergo Workstation should be removed from the pallet before assembly. Now it is time to assemble the parts. Please remove all nuts and washers from the bench top bolts. Make sure to place them in a container for safekeeping. Bring the benchtop light for assembly and use the provided Allen wrench to unscrew the bolts on the side of the light. To unscrew the bolts on the base of the light. Remove the cover and repeat this on the other side of the base. To attach the power to the bench top, match the color wires together and press together firmly. Place the light base on the left side of the bench top. Using the bolts removed earlier, secure the base and tighten the nuts with a socket or wrench. You can now put the caps on the base sides, securing the screws with the Allen wrench provided. Place the pillar of the shelf on the right side of the tabletop and secure with the support nuts through the top of the pillar. Remove the screws from both sides of the pillar and save them. Also remove the screws from the left side of the bench lamp. Slide the shelf in place on the pillars and secure with the screws removed earlier. Repeat this on both sides and tighten with the screwdriver. For your reference, the shelf will be placed 6 inches above the bench top. Now it is time to assemble the accessories. Be sure to place the stainless steel protection plate first, followed by the armrests. By inserting each armrest in the outside holes on the bench front. Then place the suction inlet in the center hole of the bench front. Using the screws on the inlet, secure the tempered glass dust shield. Under the table, you will find the air valve, which needs to be disassembled. Place the hose through the hole in the front and then reassemble the air valve. To make sure the hose is fully seated, press firmly. The air valve will semi-automatically retract. Use the air supply valve if you have a high-speed unit. One side for your compressor and the other for the high-speed unit. Now to connect the power, use the power receptacle and insert in the side hole of the bench. The light is bright with a wide coverage and can be adjusted accordingly. The clamp mount microscope accessory can be purchased separately. Place the clamp mount at the height desired and secure with the provided screws. For best performance, face the arm to the right of the light pole. After securing the arm bridge, you can now attach the microscope. For this video, we used an i.maX 4 microscope. The microscope can be moved vertically. You can also use the knob on the right for more detailed movements. The arm bridge can be moved horizontally for further adjustment. There are two power receptacles on the light base to use. You can adjust the brightness of the telescope light with the knob on the right side. Turn on the light of the microscope by switching the button on the back. To connect your vacuum, first find the hose holder under the table. Remove the 4 screws holding it in place and put them in a safe spot, and set the holder aside. Place the hose and secure the holder roughly, leaving room for adjustment. Now adjust the hose for attachment to the workbench. Now attach the hose to the hole leading to the inlet. Once the hose is attached, you can now secure the holder completely. As the distributor, we use the Renfert SILENT Compact, sold separately. Place the SILENT Compact under the workstation and attach the hose to the receptacle in the back. For operation, please follow instructions provided by Renfert SILENT Compact. Your AI Ergo Workstation is now ready to be used. For purchase inquiries, please contact Kodent Supply. The i.maX 4 microscope and the Renfert SILENT Compact vacuum are sold separately by Kodent.